Hello, I'm Ricky King with A1 Security Manufacturing. Today we're going to be discussing the hurdy-gurdy tubular key cutting machine. This machine is made of some of the finest materials, 303 stainless steel nut and spindle assembly, hard coat anodized body. I have been with the company for 30 years and I've never had a hurdy-gurdy return for any reason. It's one of the most accurate key machines out there. It may not be as fast as some of the electric machines, but because this is a handheld, manually operated machine, once I've used it and I need to put it away, I can store it in its case, in a drawer, on a shelf, or anything else. I don't have to dedicate bench space in our work van or in our work area. The machine is capable of cutting 137A, 137S, and 137 standard keys. This dial that comes equipped with the machine is for the 137 keys, and it will also cut offset left or offset right keys and 7-pin center. It also has the ability to cut the 8-pin center, the UL lock with the cut within a cut. I'd like to show you a little bit of the operation of the key and how we go about doing that. To adjust the depth, you loosen the red thumb screw and take the pointer and point it to the number of depth that you want to cut. In this case, we will cut a number 4 cut. We'll tighten the screw, and if you notice here, the cutter is sticking up above this plate surface the amount of a number 4 depth. So when we take the key blade, we put on the palm protector. That's just so that we can bear against it without it affecting our hand. We'll point the locating tab of the key to the position we want to cut. In this case, it will be a number 1. We will hold the body as such, and we will contact the cutter with the barrel of the key. And as we begin to crank the key, you will notice the chips, and you'll continue to crank until you feel the machine kind of slick up or smooth out a little bit. I always give a couple of extra cuts just to make sure that it's finished and it's a good clean cut. You can remove the key, and with the machine comes a decoder, a very simple but effective decoder, and you'll see the numbers 1 through 7. In this case, we did cut the number 4 cut. And as you can see, with the key against the tool, you can see that the number 4 depth is exactly where it needs to be. Again, this is a very, very accurate machine, a very portable machine that does not take up bench space. This concludes our demonstration of the hurdy-gurdy product number HG1.